Hey everyone, Andy here, dev dad, truck driver, and software developer. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm completely burnt out today. One of the guys called out, so I had to pull a set 500 miles down to Southern California and back. I got in really late last night, my brain is about as clear as a foggy morning on the grapevine. And here I am about to run another set. Well, I'll be honest, I'm drawing blanks today. I've pushed so much code into the Factor Hunter engine lately that the creative tank is just empty. So, it's a lot like these long hauls. Sometimes you aren't inspired, you're just moving the freight. But even when I'm drawing blanks, the engine I built is still working, the service worker is still caching images, and the Wheel-30 Sieve is still skipping those unnecessary numbers. Now in trucking, if you don't manage your hours, you hit a wall. In code, if you don't manage your logic, the browser hits a wall. I pushed the heavy install update today so that when you use the site, it's instant, even if I'm running a little slow. I don't have a big aha moment for you today. I just have 500 miles of asphalt and a high-performance math engine that's finally stable. If you've got ideas for what the Forge needs next, leave a comment while I'm down in Southern California and check out the Forge at Andy's Dev Studio. Let me know if those images are loading smooth for you. Catch you on the next shift. Over and out.